Today, very quickly, the science lesson. As I said, there are two different experiments. One that you can probably do at home quite easily. You just need a board of some sort. I think a cutting board from the kitchen would be perfect. And then something to hold it up, whether it's some books, a brick, a container, so that it's on a bit of an angle. Then you are simply selecting some liquids, water, this says sauce, syrup, oil. You can use any liquids at all that you're allowed to get, ask your parents, and then you start them at the same time and see which one finishes. Before you do that, predict what you think will happen. Which one do you think will win the race? Okay? What happened, who won, and why did whichever one won, why do you think it won? Right, so that's the first experiment. The second one, if you have a balloon at home, you can try this. If you don't, I'm going to do it so that we can talk about the results tomorrow. So first of all, you need 3 balloons. The first one you fill with water and you're going to freeze it. I will probably put less water in than this because otherwise it could take days to freeze. So maybe only half that amount. Tie a knot in it, put it in the freezer. The second one you will fill with water. All right, and just leave it. The third one you will fill with air. Make them about the same size, but it doesn't really matter. So, when they are frozen, when the one is frozen, we're then going to have a look at them. So we're going to look at the one with the ice. So you're going to peel off the balloon when it's all frozen, and you're going to see if the shape changed. Is the balloon holding it together? Or when you pull off the balloon, does it stay the same? If it does, yes or no. Water. So when you pop the balloon with the water, what happens? Please have a bowl so you can have a look at what happens to the water. So pop this in a bowl so you can see the water, and then pop the one with the air. Then we're going to have a look and see, did the shape change with the ice when you took the balloon off? Did the shape change with the water when you popped the balloon? And did the shape change with air? Then we'll have a look at, did the weight change? So I'll put mine into the freezer, and then tomorrow I'll very quickly do another little lesson so we can compare. Or maybe Friday if my ice isn't completely solid. All right, so have a go if you can. If you can't, tune into this and tune in again when we do the results. Thanks.